Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in sunny Lauderdale by the Sea. This is Brian, and a lovely day at our beach here right down the street at the Windjammer Resort and Beach Club, which I've never stayed at, but I've been by there a dozen times, and it's really nice. I know we show their webcam all the time. Figure I'd throw them a prop there for a great webcam as well. Take a look at some prices today. Let me move over here to what we're looking at on Friday. Almost near the close of the market. We still have the world markets that are open. New York closed at 1729. World markets are still open, or what we used to call after markets back in the day. Looks like aftermarkets or world markets are open at 1732.32 right now. The high of 1743, as you can see, and a low of 1724. Not quite that $20 range, but again, we've settled above the 1700 range. It looks nice. It seems stable at this price. But, you know, don't be fooled. It can still shoot down below 1700. We've seen gold do $50 drops before. However, in the environment that we're in, I don't think it would stay that low very long at least, and maybe provide a good opportunity to, as they said in the stock market for many years, buy the dips. Silver, 1749 right now. Let's see what the difference is here. 1742, 1776, about a 25-cent range. Again, silver holding on to that $17 range. And holding nicely. Seems like it's gone past 17 and a quarter, but in holding this 1750 range nicely for this week. I think it'll continue next week. Although, you know, never be surprised about these drops, and silver even has bigger percentage drops than gold does oftentimes. However, again, as I said, in this environment, I wouldn't worry about it. Just wait it out. And in fact, buy the dips if you have the opportunity. Platinum right now, 815. I like platinum as well as I like silver. I think they're both fairly undervalued metals, which reminds me, the gold to silver ratio is still at 100 to 1 or so, close to 100 to 1. Still too high in my opinion, which means that silver still needs to play some catch up, because I don't think gold is going to come down and reduce that ratio. In fact, I think gold is going to continue to click up, and I think silver just needs to play catch up a little bit as far as the ratios go. Back to platinum. I think platinum's a good buy at these levels. Range, not too much here, $25 range. We keep talking about $25 ranges in platinum and gold. And palladium doing its thing, $1,900, $10, $50 range, or whatever it is, or $25 range, sorry. Let's kind of move on to something here that I like to look at occasionally, is the graphs. I saw this gold price since 1980 graph. Sometimes these things can be slightly misleading because of the value of the dollar and other things. You know, $1980 are a lot different than 2014 dollars, as you can see on the chart here. It goes up to 2014, and even 2014 dollars, I am certain, are a lot different than 2020 dollars as far as buying power. You know, what you can buy, inflation, and all those other things. However, just comparatively speaking, with a fixed dollar amount, you can see since 1980, gold hit a high in 1980 of, what was it, almost $900 per ounce at one point. Although I don't think this chart reflects that very well unless it was back here a little further. And as you can see, we kind of chugged along here in that sub $500 range. You know, come up and touching. I remember this whole time too, because I've been in the precious metals business technically since 1977. So as you can see, you've got a lot of up and down movement here. And gold sell-off starts 99. There's our lowest point in 1980 to 2014. And I remember this area saying, wow, gold is really cheap. Didn't stay there long though. As you can see, we're going up 2010 and then up to 2012 market where we hit a high of, that says 1780. I don't believe that is correct at all. I believe we were at $1,900 gold. So some of these charts are a little funky as far as the prices go, in my opinion. But we definitely were higher than 1780, and I believe gold hit a mark of 1900 or maybe just a tad over. I'm not sure if it closed at that level. And today we're nearing that mark again. So, and a lot has to do just with what's going on. Yesterday's stock market was pretty crazy too as well. Wow, 1,800 points or whatever it was down at one point. So, well, anyways, I hope your weekend is great, and have a safe and fun weekend with your loved ones and your family or whoever you're with. And we will give our gold update on Monday. Thanks for watching. This is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metal in sunny Lauderdale by the Sea. Call us anytime at 954-493-8811. unlike a lot of people you see online and even on videos, we have a real brick and mortar store, and we have been in this location since 1995. So again, feel free to give us a call anytime between 10 and 4 Mondays through Fridays, or just stop by. Thanks, and have a great day.